Hey guys, it is me Simone, and in this video I'm going to do a project share and show you how I made this. So I made this DIY paper bobbin, and it's a little cute paper bobbin, like kind of like a wood bobbin. And so let me show you like the details of it. So I have some lace here and some ribbon, paper flowers, the glitter balls here, and on the outside I have this rose gold, almost like a starburst, and some layering of cardstock and pattern paper. So I don't really have like all the names of everything I use. So this is the Maggie Holmes paper in middle because I have some. I think a lot of people have it. I'm a big Maggie Holmes. I like a lot of the Maggie Holmes collection. Not everyone. I like a lot, but I've been an OG fan since she first came out, you know. Flip hair. JK. But I like some of her paper, but I store my paper by color, not by collection. So I don't really know like all the collections came from. And let's have some polka dot paper here with black and white. Some cardstock. This is from Michaels. This gold paper, rose gold paper, is from Michaels too. It's in a pack. I use these paper flowers, and these are from Aliexpress, and the balls, little glitter balls, are from Hobby Lobby. The glitter ribbon here is from Hobby Lobby, if you can see it, and then the lace is from Aliexpress. And then I use some dies here. I'll show you everything I used. So I used these circle stitch dies here. These are from Aliexpress. The sizes I use are 3.5 inch circle by 3 inch circle, and then 2.5 inch circle. So that's all the circles I used. Then I used this die. So it is a heart shape die. I'm trying to see if there's a better way for me to show you it. You can kind of see it better. With my lights to see if I can get a better viewing of it. And this actually doesn't cut out a circle, it cuts out this. So it just cuts out as a heart circle, and then a little the inside, which looks like a starburst. So I used this, I cut it in gold paper, and I put it on the inside. It's like right under there. It's slightly like right here. You can kind of see like a little gold peeking out. That's where it is. And then I didn't want to throw the gold away. I was like, oh, I'll just put it in my stack of gold paper. I was like, you know, I can use it on the top to keep the flow of gold, rose gold. So that's what it cuts out. It's a really pretty die. Don't use it enough, but it's so gorgeous. You can see that it's just so pretty. So I used that in the stash. And this one is, I think it was 2 and 11. Or 2 and something 16ths. What was it? This shape is 2 and roughly like 2 and 13/16. So I used that. I'm just gonna put these in there just so I have them. And then of course I just use those on my desk. I still have a bunch of stuff on my desk from my DIY shadow frame lid box. So I have these flowers, like 1 centimeter I think, from Aliexpress, and I have them in pink. I use the same matte stamens. Actually, I didn't use these at all. Actually, why am I showing you guys these? I didn't use those at all. I was going to, but I didn't use those. I just used the flowers and then the balls. That's it. So I'm trying to think anything else that I've done. Nope. So what I ended up doing was I cut out the smallest circle, which would be the 2.5 inch circle, and then I got a piece of cardstock, and you're just gonna cut it by, I just did it however long I wanted it. I mean how tall I want my box to be. So this one is 3 inches tall. And then, actually no, I did it 6 inches tall. I scored it at 1 inch on both sides, and then cut it so I can make it into a cylinder, right? And it's easier when you have little notches to do that than just to have it straight. So I notched the paper like this, and then I glued it to the smallest circle. Just wrap it around, gluing it, okay? And those little slits really help. And I'll do it like this. I mean, I just want to show you that. That's basically what I did. And I just kind of cut so they can turn easier. Then once that was done, I cut out, I made sure that my base was really thick, so I actually cut out 2 pieces for the top and 2 pieces for the bottom, and just white cardstock for my base. So I did about, it just depends how thick your cardstock is. So if your cardstock is really thick, you just cut out 1 circle for your top and your base, and then your patterns. And I used the 3.5-inch circle for that. And then I did the layering with the 2.5. With the 3-inch circle. So this is the 2.5 circle, that's the 3 circle, that's the 3.5 circle, and then so that's kind of what I did. Hope that explains everything. So after that, I decorate all the paper first. Decorate everything first. I think the only thing I did not decorate before is the center, because it's really easy to access it. So I laid all the paper on it before I glued the base, because you can't really get in there after you glue it. And I wrapped the paper on after, in the middle, and then I embellished it with the flowers and stuff. That's really it. It's very simple. So the purpose of this is to give washi tape. I thought it'd be so cool. You know, bobbins have like thread on them and stuff, so I thought it'd be really cool. So what you would do is you would get either some parchment paper, or I have vellum here, and you would cut it down to whatever size you want based on how much washi tape you're going to add, and then just tape that right there in the middle. And then you can get your washi tape and put it on. And since it's vellum, it's kind of slippery, so you can easily take it off and it won't damage anything. And so that's what you can do. Very simple, I think, and very fun. A cool way to give your friends washi tape, I think. I mean, this is really bulky, but it's more like decor, really, than anything else. But that was a cool idea that I can show you. So that's really it. Very simple. I'll leave all my links to the dyes I use below if I can find them, and I'll leave the cardstock that I use. And so I buy this cardstock because it's like a lightweight, medium weight cardstock. More like a medium weight cardstock, give or take. But I like it because the price point is amazing on this, and it's very easy to find. So I'll leave it below if you're interested. It's like 60. No. Which one did I use though? I have several different ones. I have my 67-pound one, and then I have my 90-pound one. Yeah, I'll leave both of them below. So that's it, guys. Much love. I'll talk to you later. Get crafty, and I hope you guys like my idea, and I would love to see what you guys make. So if you can always get me on my Instagram and tag me if you make this and post it, I would love to see, or your videos. Doesn't matter. I would love to see what you guys are making. So have a great day and get crafty. Bye. Much love.